You can buy beautiful pots, perfect shelves, fancy grow lights, but if your plants still aren't thriving, it might be the environment. Today we're talking about the perfect plant environment indoors without turning your home into a greenhouse. A lot of people think plant care is mostly about watering. But plants are responding to their entire environment. Light, humidity, airflow, temperature, placement, and sometimes small environmental tweaks can completely change how a plant performs indoors. You don't need perfection. You just need to build an environment that works with your plants instead of against them. Indoor plant care becomes easier when you stop treating every issue like an isolated problem. Yellowing, stalled growth, crispy edges, leaning stems. Sometimes the plant isn't failing. The environment simply isn't matching what the plant is trying to do. If you only optimize one thing, start with light. Most indoor environments are darker than you think. Plants may survive in low light. That doesn't always mean they're thriving there. Look at how your light level change throughout the day. Morning sun, afternoon heat, filtered light. The distance from the window matters more than most people realize. Sometimes improving your environment doesn't mean buying anything. It can be as simple as moving a plant 2 feet closer to a window, rotating a shelf, or supplementing darker corners with a grow light. Next is temperature and humidity. Many of our houseplants come from warm, humid environments. Our homes, not so much. Dry air, heating, air conditioning, hot windows, these things quietly influence how plants grow. You don't necessarily need a jungle-level humidity setup, but understanding your environment helps you make smarter adjustments. Grouping plants together, using a humidifier when needed, keeping sensitive plants away from vents or temperature swings. Small changes can create a noticeably happier growing environment. One factor that gets overlooked, airflow. Plants like fresh air movement. Crowded setups can trap moisture, increase fungal risk, decrease airflow between leaves. Good airflow doesn't necessarily mean blasting your plants with a fan. It means creating a healthier indoor ecosystem. Spacing plants thoughtfully, allowing gentle circulation, and designing setups that balance beauty with function can make a surprisingly big difference. Here's a quick indoor environment checklist. Ask yourself, does this plant have enough light? Is it sitting near a vent, a draft, or a heat source? Is airflow reasonable? Is humidity appropriate for what I'm growing? And does the setup support both healthy growth and the style of space I actually want to live in? Perfect plant environments aren't built all at once. They're adjusted, observed, and refined over time. Creating the perfect plant environment indoors isn't about chasing perfection. It's about understanding what your space naturally offers and helping your plants to work with it. And in the next video, we're going to take it one step further, and we're going to talk about creating routines that keep your plants healthy without spending the entire week caring for them.